All right, one way to collect sample information is to perform a study. So an observational study is you measure or observe members of a sample in such a way that they are not affected by the study. A controlled experiment, you divide sample into two groups. You impose a treatment on one group, but not on the other, the control group. Then you compare the effect of the treatment group to the control group. And in the survey, you ask every member of the sample a set of questions. So a poorly designed study can result in unreliable statistics. You should always analyze the study's methods before making general conclusions about the population. All right, so analyzing study methods. Which type of study method is described in each situation? Should the sample statistics be used to make a general conclusion about the population? Researchers randomly choose two groups of 10 volunteers over a period of 8 weeks. One group eats ice cream before going to sleep, the other does not. Volunteers wear monitoring devices while sleeping, and researchers record dream activity. Well, this is an example of a controlled experiment because we have two different groups, a control group and then I forgot the verbiage they use, a control group, a treatment, okay, and a treatment group. Oops. The statistics for this study are based on such a small sample that the findings are unreliable as a general conclusion. So we only have 10 volunteers. B. Students in a science class record the height of bean plants as they grow. This is an observational study. The statistics may provide a general conclusion about the growth rate of a bean plant. However, soil type, amount of sunlight and water, fertilizer, and other factors could affect the growth rate. Student council members ask every 10th student in the lunch line if they like cafeteria food. This is a survey. The results are not reliable because people waiting in line are more likely to enjoy the cafeteria food than those who bought their lunch from home. All right, let's look at Got It. A pharmaceutical company asks for volunteers to test a new drug to treat high blood pressure. Half of the volunteers will be given the drug and half of them will be given a placebo. I hope you know that this means that it's controlled because they have a treatment and a control group. The researcher will monitor the blood pressure of each volunteer. Which type of study method is the researcher using? Should the sample statistics be used to make a general conclusion about the effectiveness of the drug in the larger population? And it's hard to say because we don't know how many they have gathered. So this would be kind of up to you. I hope this helps.